So we're going to be cooking a spicy chicken, coconut, peas and sweet potato dish. So we've got sweet red onions here, absolutely delicious, full of prebiotic fibers. We were just talking about that as well.
This looks like a dinner at my house.
Exactly, yeah.
So many ingredients here. I could make this. Yes.
Absolutely. We've got some chopped chili here that's going to go in straight away. Some mustard seeds. A lot of people haven't used mustard seeds in the past, but, you know, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, it really gives a beautiful earthiness.
Well, we all love mustard,
well.
and if you haven't cooked with mustard seeds, same thing, minus the vinegar.
Absolutely, yeah. We're going to be using one of your wonderful tools here.
Hey, you want me to grate the garlic?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Let me help you. Let me assist you, doctor.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Now, what are the health benefits of this dish as we're going through the components, maybe?
So what you're going to notice is we've got tons of different ingredients, so variety is very, very important.
Gotcha.
So even if it's not just about the individual ingredients themselves, the number of ingredients you're putting in is definitely going to be...
Ginger, doctor?
Thank you very much. Yeah, ginger.
Anti-inflammatory?
Yeah. So we have ginger rolls and ginger, we have prebiotic
Suddenly there's
garlic.
no food here, there's a patient.
I know, yeah. We're using the whole turmeric here, right? So we ground it. There's so many different compounds, curcuminoids, tons of anti-inflammatory.
Is that a good amount?
Yeah, please do.
A scant palmful.
Exactly, yeah.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamon would be wonderful, yes.
A piece or the whole stick?
We'll just put the whole stick in and just keep it whole. We want to try and keep it as, you know, just free-flowing as possible. And we're going to saute this down for a couple of minutes, but we already have one here. So you've got the natural sugars are coming out of the ingredients here. So that's why you've got a little bit of char on the bottom.
And that caramelization, yes.
Absolutely. Some seasoned chicken thighs.
Yes.
Now, if you are vegetarian or you want to go a little bit more plant-based, then you can use simple chickpeas as well. Thank you very much.
Sure.
You're actually an amazing assistant.
Well, it's hard to put me near a stove and not let me at it.
That's great.
Okay, so we drop that in.
Skin side down, because we want to get some of that caramelization on the skin here as well. And
this is such a great affordable protein if you do eat.
Absolutely.
Right?
If you do eat chicken, if you do animal protein, it's fantastic. We're going to saute that for a few minutes, probably like 4 or 5 minutes until it gets browned. Turn it over, and this is when the fun starts, okay?
Okay.
You can really, like, just make this your own. So sweet potato, like we talked about, we've got beta-carotene.
So nutrient-dense.
Absolute nutrient-dense.
And what does beta-carotene do for us?
So beta-carotene is a preformed vitamin A, so that's something that we use for eyes, and we're talking about your colleague.
Eyesight, yes.
Exactly, yeah. It's also feeding our gut microbiome, so the population of gut microbes.
And people are doing that in pill form. You can do it with your food. Absolutely,
yeah. Variety, again, it's going to be nurturing this population of gut microbes here. Thank you so much.
Sure.
And this is, again, related to our immune health as well. We're going to go in with spinach.
And then some nice dark greens.
Dark green. So you can use Swiss chard, you can use kale, cavolo nero, anything you really like, and you can just pop it in there. I like to use spinach at all times, really, because it's just so easy to use. You pop it in.
It wilts in a moment.
Exactly.
Right? And it's not too bitter if you're cooking for friends.
It's not too bitter.
Not everybody grooves on the cavolo nero.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I do. I'm a Sicilian, though, you know what I mean? It's like I get kicked out of the club, I don't like the cavolo nero.
The good thing about this is that you can also fold this in at the end just to maintain the freshness.
Right.
And
you
the
want the color.
Heat.
Right.
Exactly. Yeah, you want to maintain some of that vitamin C. Coconut milk, this is all going in one pan, so that's going to go
So easy cleanup, too.
Very easy cleanup.
Very low maintenance dinner and really fragrant.
Absolutely, yeah. And you can really make this your own. You know, we've used cinnamon, we've used turmeric, but you can use clove, cardamom, anything you like, really.
You can really bump up the spice. And you add a little bit of stock.
A little bit of stock here, so that's going to go in about 200 mils or so. And
a fat splash of vegetable or chicken stock.
Absolutely, yeah. You can use any stock that you like. We're just going to pop this in the oven now.
Gotcha, and let it cook down a bit.
Exactly, yeah. I'll pop this in. Thank you so much. Fab.
Pop it down there, and then I think we've got a done one up here.
We have a pre-one, so that will take about 25 to 30 minutes or so. It's super simple. It's
oh my God, it smells so good!
Incredible. Yeah.
And then do you top it with...
And now we can top it. Now we can, again, have fun. If you like coriander, if you like parsley, pop some of that on here.
Oh, it just smells so...
Yeah, this is
layered.
Health-promoting food, okay? It's easy, it's delicious. It's about flavor as well as function.
And then texture, too. I love this. Are you putting on a little bit of seeds, pumpkin seed?
Exactly, yeah.
A little pumpkin seed at the end? Oh, very sassy dinner. The good news here and the good news for your health is Eat to Beat Illness. It's in stores today, but everybody here can go home and make this for dinner because you get it on it. Woo-hoo!